This football season, don't just watch the action, trade it. MEXC Kickoff Fest is live with a total prize pool of 8 million USDT waiting for the futures traders who can call the game right. Predict today's football matches with chances between 1 and 70% and place at least 20 USDT per prediction to join the race. Every correct prediction adds to your daily winning streaks and unlock richer prize pools from bronze all the way to diamond with up to 20 USDT in just gold pool alone. Your highest streak of the day locks in your tier. So even if your streak breaks, your best performance still counts for the day's reward. So make your calls, trade your convictions, and share in daily prize pools based on your trading volume. Registrations have already opened and are valid till 21st July. For more details, log on to the link in the description of the video and join the race. So we are currently looking at SpaceX on the 15-minute chart, and if you want to trade SpaceX in the short term, these are the important levels, support as well as resistance. It has currently broken out of this downtrend on the short term, is corrected massively. Again, we are looking at a 15-minute chart, so it's a very lower time frame. And obviously, this is a new asset, so there is not much history of it, but you can clearly see it has broken out of this downtrend. The first important resistance, in my opinion, is this region at 163, 164. If it is able to successfully reclaim about this, then I see it going all the way to 173, 174. And again, if it can reclaim 174, then it can make a good push to 190, 192 region. So the current resistance levels for SpaceX is 163, 174, 173 and 192. The two important supports that I see in the interim, first support is at 146, 147 because it's bouncing from this level. And the next support would be at 135, which was the IPO offer price. So these are the important levels to look for long or short. You can always see how it reacts to this level and then decide. Any successful reclaim is a long trigger with two targets over here, or any successful rejection is again a short trigger. Overall, as long as DXY is moving higher, stocks would be under pressure. So the natural trade logic would be to look for any shorting opportunity once you see that bounce is fading. So let's look at Bitcoin on the weekly level, and there are only two important zones to uh, keep in check for now. The most important support zone is 55,300, and most important resistance is 91,600. Unless we don't reclaim 91,600, there will be no macro bullish momentum for Bitcoin. Unless we don't break 55,300 on the weekly, you do not need to worry about lower levels. Why 55,300 is an important level? Let me show it to you with the help of line chart. When we look at Bitcoin on the line chart, what we can clearly see over here, that this was the double bottom scenario from where it rallied and made new all-time highs. So this was a very critical support for Bitcoin all the way back in October 2024. And we have not even tagged this level in this brutal correction from all-time highs. So as long as we are not even tagging this level and as long as this level holds, there is an opportunity for Bitcoin. It might take some time, consolidate here and go for the retest of this zone of 91,600. So 55,300 is very important for Bitcoin on the weekly chart. And as long as that holds as support, it is very likely to go and retest 91,600 eventually. Again, we are looking at a weekly chart, so don't think of this as a short-term trading signal or anything of that sort. These are two important micro levels. In fact, at the beginning of this week, all in the morning, 4:35 a.m. on Monday morning, I had given you the technical analysis for this week, where support was 59 and 54,000, resistance was 65, 400 and 70, 400. And you can see my SR level of 65, 400 Momentum for the week would be bearish below 65,400 and bullish above. And what did Bitcoin do? If you remember, we tagged that level of 65,400, $500 region and immediately corrected. So if you're looking for short-term levels or short-term trading levels, follow me on Twitter, on Telegram, and you will see that I will keep providing you levels on I'll keep providing my analysis at regular intervals. You can see over here very clearly on Monday, we tagged 65, 400, $500 region, and we saw this move downwards. So I'm not talking about short term. This weekly levels are important for the macro scenario. So on weekly, as long as Bitcoin stays above 55,300 or keeps respecting that level. So even if we go below 52, 53, 5400, but we manage to stay above 55,300 on weekly, this is support until proven otherwise. And the resistance or the big resistance is sitting at 91,600. And as long as we don't reclaim 91,600, this is all just bear market or consolidation. You cannot even think about all-time highs. There is also an interim resistance level now, which is at somewhere around 72, $73,000 region. This will also act as resistance until proven otherwise. You can see this entire move was nothing but a technical bounce, and we are consolidating below it. So for now, 55,300 is the most important support. 91,600 would be the most important resistance, and the interim resistance on weekly would be at around 72 to $73,000 region.